Hi everyone, welcome back to new video of this series where we are calculating the space complexity. In our previous video, we have seen the concept of space complexity. If you remember, we have defined the formula of space complexity, which is nothing but, if I have to reiterate, space complexity of a program is equals to constant path and auxiliary space, right? So in this video, let's solve one example, a very basic example. So let me define one algorithm. So let's say the algorithm is about difference between x and y. So I'm just writing an algorithm, okay? So when you have to calculate the difference of x comma y, what you need? You need x and you need y. What will be your output? Your output will be difference of x and y, and it depends if you are defining a new variable or you're just returning x minus y. Let's say I'm returning x minus y itself, right? So this is a small algorithm to start with. Now if I have to calculate space complexity, what we have discussed is that we need to figure out two part: the independent, the dependent, or the local variables, or the dependent auxiliary variables. So if you see here, I know that x will have some constant space of 1 unit. If you remember that in our previous video where we were discussing the space complexity concept, there itself I have told that I won't consider it data type because it will ultimately give me what? A constant stuff. So directly I can use this as a 1 unit of constant space. So this will have 1 unit of constant space. This will have 1 unit of constant space. Now you are directly returning it. So you have how many units of constant space? So S of P is equals to 2 unit of constant space plus, do we have auxiliary part here? No. There is no dependent variable. Alright. Or we don't need any extra space for this algorithm to work. So this becomes 0. So therefore S of P is 2, which is nothing but a constant. And we have seen that when S of P equals to 2 comes, we have big O of 1 as the space complexity. So this is the first example to start with, very basic, right? We'll go with some more complicated example in our next video.